Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. I just want to show you this product that I bought from Amazon. It's called hermolante. It's an herb spice grinder. This is my first grinder that I'm experiencing. So we're going to see how it works out. So as you can see, it's just this little thing here, size of a cup. You can just hold it with one hand. That's how small it is. It has blades in there, and it tells you the max amount of herbs to put in there. Okay, we plug it in. It's not wireless, so we plug it in. It's got this little lid to keep all the herbs inside and not let it like come out. And then we have this, which is the topper, and you literally have to push it down and hold it for it to grind. I already don't like that feature, but that's what we ordered. So I'm going to put some of my herbs in here. And we're going to grind them. So we're going to see how this works. So then we put the lid on it. And you got to hold it down. Okay, let's see how it did. Okay, so you can see. Let me just move it in a way where you guys can see it good. There's a little bit sticks. It didn't grind it in a powder, which I was hoping it would, but I mean this will do it for what I'm going to use it for. But there it is, the hermolante herb spice grinder from Amazon. It came with this little scooper, and at the end it has some brushes, some easy instructions to follow. So there's that. Well, thanks for watching.